Hi, this is Josh Okey here at Nissan of Visalia. Here to show you the 2020 Nissan Rogue here today. With a 4-cylinder, it's 170 horsepower, 175 pounds of torque. Comes with 3 amazing features that I've only seen at Nissan. We have easy fill tire alert, so the horn will actually honk when you get to the right tire pressure. You have your rear door alert, so the horn will also honk if you put something in the back seat and forget about it. The last thing would be rear automatic braking. So we do that all the time here at Nissan. We back these cars up really close. The car will actually stop itself so you can keep that bumper nice and clean. It also has intelligent automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. That word intelligence is very important here at Nissan because unlike any other brand in the market right now, intelligent means that it's not reading the car in front of you, but it's reading 2 cars in front of you. That's incredible to give you that extra little bit of warning. A couple other things, of course, safety is hugely important in these cars nowadays. One thing most people don't know is this hood is actually made of aluminum, which is an extremely lightweight and way more safe material. If something does happen, you get into an accident or a fender bender. It comes with knee airbags. One of the first things to touch when you get into an accident are your knees, and those knee airbags are a lifesaver. Once again, this is Josh Okey here at Nissan of Visalia. Any more information you need on this car, come on down. I'd be happy to show you and take you for a test drive.